So we have a tornado warning update and thunderstorm warning. So we have a tornado warning for southwestern steel and northeastern sequence and southwestern Minnesota. It's 6:40 to 7:50 to 6:30 p.m. Central Time. It's southwestern Cape Water Stairs located near Waterville, or 14 miles southwest of Faribault. We need to 25 an hour, turning out and quarters to the sail, and then source of rotation. And the impact is a fine debris with dangerous was caught each other. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damages to windows and vehicles, damages likely. And the location impact include Waseca Airport, Waseca, Takata Lake, State Park, Warsaw, Deerfield, Warsaw, Woodson Airport, Clean Falls, Faribault, and for Woodson. Danger room on those floor building. If you are outdoors and will own a vehicle, move to close to the shoulder and protect yourself from flying debris. And then in 6 to 7:15. Southwestern Rose, and Central Faribault, strongest in fact. So, damage German to jail. And so get ran by 20 of southwest, then get ways to further. Reds are emblem. And serious restaurants vertical each sword race missile. It's in effect from 6:57 p.m. And it's for serious located standard 9 miles east of Norfolk, Louis to 2000. As vertical buses on the 2nd August. And the resource ranking. And it's from Montgomery, Lansdale, Tulsa, and Northfield. And we have 6:46 p.m. for Watauga County, Southern Minnesota. It's 46 located 6 southeast of Burfell, about 28 miles northwest of Fairmont. We said 25 miles north. Hazard 16 miles northwest of Corsell. Hazard's range rated. The impact is a hail damage was expected. Electric damage to roads, saying injuries. And the location impact include Burfell, Odin, Echo, St. James, St. Jared, Southbridge, Grown, and Louisville. North Central Jackson and Southwest Common. It's for 6:46 p.m. to 7:15 Eastern. Southern Jackson's Eastern Common at 6:46. A serious restaurant was located when we set their answer. It's for 60 miles and half the sources are indicated. And the impact is hail damage to expect near centuries. And the location vector of Burnham. And the and then it says you may alert for possible returns can go quickly from serious thunderstorms. The use by material go out once in the basement response center mystery structure. And for about from 6:54 p.m. Central Time, 7:45 p.m. Central Time, Western for about Eastern increase. A serious thunderstorm. Okay, it's southeast of east northeast of Summer West courses hill. So you're indicated. And location impact include Robert, Vermont, Eastern, Maryford, Emily, Brenda, Coquine, Lily, North, Winnebago, Dublin, Easton, Mosul Lake. It's a sea shaman instead of about surgeons away from windows. Producing images. Another channel. I'm just going to click the computer sources. Take each other. Really, turn around the super well structure. There's one from 6:54 to 7 p.m. for Eau Claire County, southeastern Claire County. And it's this is Rocky Road goes for 24 miles southeast Eau Claire. You said 3 miles there. And this has your signal goes to course system. And it's for severe Nikki. The impact is hail damage vehicles with brain damage roofs, saying injuries. Locations back to include Foster and Augusta. And we have one for 6:52 to 7:45 for Goodyear County. And so it's located straight in 10 miles east of North and east of the river. 60 miles west and course of sail. And it's for radar and key threat. It's for chemicals, Stedo, heater, Foster, Goodyear, and hail damage to vehicles expected. Damage roads, saying injuries. And sources radar and keyed. And then the terrain watch is remain effective until 10 p.m. Structure, 10 minute proportions of eastern soil. And it's for 6 shelter and sidewall structure. So as for windows, the source converters to deodorant third shield. And we have one third turnover update for 7:15 to 6:56 to 7:15 for Central Relation and North Central Railroad. It was located near Ambler. The serious circuit burst was located near Ambler. To my south, and keep east to further. It's trying to test the hill so that tornado has left the ground. Matches the rear and key threat. And it's found to be really dangerous to cut the shoulder. Unless the damages troops, windows, and vehicles over change likely. Your allocation packs include Amboy Mapleton, some moving treatment, let's reload but vehicles, hardware or in a vehicle, close station protection from rain debris. And then the serious damage weather's statement update where the sewer rates there's some remains effective until 3 p.m. Central Time. For southeastern, eastern, southwestern rice counties. And then 66 p.m. Central Time. Eastern is okay, 5 miles north of Asia, 18 miles northeast of Mankio, and we set 2 miles north. And it's hazard 60 miles in gusts and go bus at town. It's Cocaine, Waterville, Scott Lake, Seabrook, and Morrison. It says anyone who orders from the ship is away from the surface. Stars skip Bruce and dangerous and the address. It says impact as people and animals. Outdoors are being tail, damage roofs, saying windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage roofs, saying in trees. And it's radar key, like I said. And we have 6:54 to 7:45 was for Vermont, Western Vermont, Eastern Vermont, Vermont, Eastern Vermont, Region, Cooking, Hollywood, Winnebago, Dublin, Eastern Minnesota. 6:45 to 7. That's for yep, average. Okay. And that is it for severe weather.